Hi folks, we have got a delivery today with a lot of Tillandsias. So now it's time to have a montage of this. So I'm going to show you how to do. So yeah, let's continue here. I'm going to use this coconut hair, or what you call it, Lynn?
Coconut core, is it?
Yeah,
like a fibre.
yeah. So it's on a plastic tube, and I have drill holes here, so it's meant to hang it up in the window. So I'm gonna montage this with a kind of plastic with an iron center here. So then I must think in this way. Can start with yeah, why not this? This is a new experience for me and Lynny, so we have to work it out and see if this can be a good way to let it grow, and time will tell. So let's continue here. So let's see, this one maybe, yeah, why not? And it's important to not do it too hard, so you press and cross, so you're crossing cells in the beautiful little plants. So work with soft hands, so you don't make any damage, because that would be a sin, I think. So bind it up, bind it up. Like that. What do you think? Can it be anything? So now I have put on all the plants on this stock. So yeah, hope this will function. Yeah, I hope this will be a good solution. But yeah, it's easy to shower now, and I'm gonna hang it in the window. So yeah, thank you for watching, and this is an experiment for us, because this is a new group of plants we don't have had earlier, except for one plant we have. Lynn has for more about 1 year now, but now it starts to take form. So thank you for watching, and let's continue later with other kind of plant-based movies. Okay, all for now. Thank you guys. Bye.